What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl F by Fumi, and as y'all can tell from the title, I'm back with another clothing haul. I love a good clothing haul. Before we get started with the video, make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button and thumbs up this video. So today I'm super excited. As I mentioned before, I'm doing a clothing haul for a super trendy clothing line called Stylewe. They sent me some cute, fun spring pieces that I'm going to show you guys today. So I'm going to be playing a little dress up with these elegant and stylish pieces they sent me. They sent me 6 different looks, 6 different pieces of clothing that I'm going to style and mix and match with things I already have in my wardrobe. So I'm just going to show you guys how I would style these things to look real fun, flirty, and just stylish this spring and summer. You know I had to give y'all the hookup. Make sure you guys use my code FBY18. I'm gonna put it right here below, FBY18, to get some money off your cart. If you see anything in the video that you're like, oh yeah, I gotta have that, use this discount code so y'all can get a little money off and y'all can look, you know, stylish just like me. Okay, so enough of the chit chat. Let's get into the fit. For the first outfit, I have these denim casual pocket jeans. I got in a small, but it has a style, what's the word I'm thinking of? Style chart on their page where you can kind of like, I can't get my words out. Okay, cut it. Basically, it's a style chart. When y'all go to the style chart, it'll have information on there that you can kind of match with your size, and it'll kind of give you a better description of what the best size is for you, whether it's a small, medium, or a large. So I'm definitely a true small. I love how these jeans reach all the way to the bottom, but you can still see my toes a little bit. It's not like cutting my feet off or hanging over my feet to where like I'm dragging. I also have heels on. Maybe if I had on sneakers, they probably would drag, but with the heels, they're the perfect length. So cute. They feel really good, and these feel like real denim. Like, you can tell real denim just by like feeling it. Like, so cute. I just love the look of this. And I love how they feel and how it's kind of like that washed out color. There's no pockets on the back. You know, I don't really need back pockets, but that was just one thing I noticed. There wasn't any pockets on the back. Just what y'all think, like, y'all like this fit? Would y'all like wear this? Y'all like the jeans? Tell me below, what's it giving? Okay, so now for the next item, next piece, I have the casual color block buttoned polo collared sweater. That is such a tongue twister. I hope I said that right. This top is so cute, so fun, so flirty, so spring. Like, get into these different shades of like greens and like this like cream type of color. I love it. And then like the buttons are white, which is like a cute pop. This top is a small. Now, although it's a small, I did have to like roll it, like tuck it a little bit, because it was a little like long to my liking. So I just kind of like rolled it up and tucked it like that so it would stop at my waistline. But this is a small, so it fits like a small. It was just kind of like long. I styled it with this cute bag and some white sandals. My friends was calling my sandals Jesus sandals. I think they're cute. I think they're fun. And yeah, they're different. Whenever you wear something different, people always make fun until they hop on the trend too. So, dare to be different. I think this is a real cute outfit to go like run errands or just kind of do whatever. You can kind of do anything in this outfit. Run errands, go out to eat. I'm trying to get more into wearing more colors. I don't really have anything with green, but this is so cute. I unbuttoned it a little bit so you could kind of like see more of my neckline. I didn't want to wear it like all the way buttoned or whatever, how they have it on their site. 3 buttons is enough, you know. 2 if you're a little bit on the more conservative side. I love it. It's super cute. Don't have that much to say other than go buy the top and use my code. Okay, so I think this might be one of my favorite pieces out of all the pieces. This is the Raglan color block jacket. I got it in a small, and I also have the matching pants. This is such a cute outfit. Like, you can really wear this multiple ways, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of different ways I would style these pieces together and separately. You can really style the pants one way and then style this jacket a whole nother way. This is giving me real grown, real like chill but still a big deal kind of outfit. Just really like that tracksuit material with some like cute tracker pants. The pants do not have any pockets. I just kind of like the oversized look of this outfit. I do have heels on with it. Compared to the jeans I showed you guys earlier, these pants are a little long. I probably would have to get these maybe tailored a little bit. If I wear heels with this, I might can get away with it, but I have on heels now and it's really cutting it real close. I'm just gonna show you guys a couple different ways I would style this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys probably how I would style the pants first and then show you guys how I would style the jacket. But both of them together is cute, don't get me wrong, but why not maximize, you know, your outfits? Okay, so how I styled the pants, I just took the jacket off. Just a simple taking the jacket off make the look so much different. Do a crop top, you could do a bodysuit. You could even maybe do like a top and maybe a blazer. I kind of think a blazer, if I had a black blazer, I probably would kind of elevate it with a black blazer look. But I kind of just made it a little more like dressed down by throwing on like, you know, this top, cute, fun, little flirty bag, glasses. Accessories are what's going to elevate or bring down your outfit. Not even bring down, but I feel like the accessories you put with an outfit makes it either dressy or makes it kind of dressed down. Glasses makes it kind of like a little chill, more of a chill vibe. Like I'm getting like chill, cute, like chill, cute vibes, I think is what I'm going for. You could dress it down and wear sneakers, like some cute sneakers, and still give it a different type of, you know, vibe. It's just so long, y'all. Short people problems. And it has cute pockets at the back. You know, like I just like this. I think this is one of my like favorite pieces out of the whole collection of stuff I got are the jacket and the pants. Okay, so the second way I would style it is I would wear the jacket as a dress. Now, the material of this jacket around the hem of it is like real like tight, like this tight fitted material. So it kind of hugs your body at the bottom, almost like a bodycon dress. And I thought that was so cute. You always wear like some tights. Like I could even see this outfit with like some like sheer like black tights, maybe some like boots, like some boots with like a chunky heel. Like you can really do a lot with this. Yeah, I still have heels on with it. The heels with it is still cute. But yeah, I definitely would wear this as a dress for sure. For the third way of how I would style the jacket, I would wear a cute white crop top or a bodysuit again. And I got some denim high-waisted like shorts I thought was really cute. I left the heels on. I just don't feel like changing my shoes, but yeah, wear whatever shoes you want. I just like wearing heels, especially because this jacket is so long. I feel like the heels make my legs look a little longer. So, you know, a mine thing. I styled it by just scrunching up the sleeves and then just wearing some high-waisted shorts, denim blue. I couldn't decide between light blue and dark blue, but I think I like the dark blue better. White crop top, created with some cute, fun, flirty glasses, and it's a cute white bag to give it a little extra pop of color, so it's not just so like, you know, blah. Like how I have it styled. I think this might be like my favorite way of styling the jacket. Cause it's just like open, you can like kind of pull the jacket back so you can see more of your body. But you know, like, I like how the oversizedness of it gives it a different look, a different vibe. So yeah, this is super, super cute. Get into it. So yeah, those are the 3 ways I would style, really 4 ways I would style this look. Whether you wear the 2 pieces together, or if you wear the bottoms by themselves, or the jacket by itself, you can really do a lot with this. And this is what I mean by maximizing your clothes in your wardrobe to give you different styles and different looks. So you're just not like, dang, I don't have no clothes. Well, babe, like, wear that outfit a different way and make a new outfit. Duh. Okay, you guys, so the next dress I have is the elegant boat neck tight maxi dress. Now this dress is so gorgeous. Like, I really didn't know how I was gonna feel about this dress when I saw it online, but now that I have it on, I actually really, really like it. My favorite part about this dress is really the material and how it's so like fitting to my body. It's still like formal, but it still gives you like a snatched body look. And the material is kind of like that spandex, cotton, like kind of blend to where it's like really fitted. I love how the bottom is like almost like a mermaid bottom, to where like it goes like narrow and then it kind of flows out this way. So it's giving me like a pleated kind of look at the bottom. Look, I could hit a little hula dance and it kind of like just flows at the bottom. I'll probably show you guys a closer look of what the bottom kind of looks like so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't even really have any words. Like, this dress is elegant, it's stylish, it fits your body really good, hugs you in all the right places. I would wear this dress probably to a dinner. If I were to go to like a sneaker ball, I would wear like sneakers with this because it's like, you know, formal but chill. I don't even know who else I could wear this to. I don't get invited to enough formal things, but if I did, or when I do, I'm gonna wear this dress. It's giving covered up, but still giving sexy, period. For the final look, we have the vacation sleeveless print tight jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is so cute. It's definitely giving vacation. The material isn't like super thick. It's kind of like a, I don't even know what material I would say this is, but it's not super like super like fitted, like not that spandex type of material. It's a little bit on like the, it's kind of just regular. I don't even know like what's another word. It's just like maybe cotton. I'm pretty short, so I have on sandals and the bottoms are definitely dragging the floor. So if you're a short girl like me, you might want to either get some heels or get an outfit like this hemmed or tailored. It's small and it fits pretty good, like as far as the fitting of everything, it fits really good. It's just a little long. If I did get this outfit tailored, I probably would get it hemmed up and probably like this little like area right here where it's like all this extra skin. I mean, extra material. I probably would like have them like pin it or whatever. I don't know. This is pretty cute. I probably would wear this to vacation or like brunch, maybe even church. I could get away with this, I feel like. It does have like a little button up in the front. I kind of loosened a couple buttons to, you know, show a little skin. And it does have a zipper in the back. Cause I was definitely trying to put my feet through this and I was like, why it's not fitting? But yeah, it has a zipper behind it and then like buttons in the front. It's giving me like a Versace, I don't know. That was the first thing I thought about when I saw it, was like, oh, this is like Versace, like really rich. I would probably just style this with a black bag, maybe a brown bag. I was gonna wear this like deep wine burgundy bag I have, but I didn't have matching shoes. But I would definitely like wear like a burgundy bag, like a little cute small little tote looking bag. or if I had matching shoes to go with it. But I just have on some black sandals, you know, little casual, cute little fit. What y'all think about this outfit? Is it getting what it's supposed to give? The summertime is coming up. Make sure you guys, you know, buy a couple pieces. Don't forget to use my code. But yeah, the summertime is definitely fast approaching. So if you guys have any travel plans and y'all need outfits, fits, pieces, anything, make sure you guys go on Stylewe. Affordable prices, cute, trendy pieces. And I'm giving y'all a discount code. Like, it doesn't get no better than that. So make sure you guys are actively shopping. Okay, so that concludes this video. Had so much fun chit-chatting with y'all and playing dress up and just showing you guys my style and how I put certain pieces and looks together. Before we end off the video, I want to let y'all know that everything I wore today will be linked in the description box below, as well as my sizes. I am 5 feet, 130 pounds, so everything I wore today was a small, just for you guys' reference. Make sure you guys use that discount code FBY18 when you guys are shopping and checking out to save you guys 18%. Because I love saving a little coin. I know y'all do too. I think, am I forgetting anything to tell y'all? Make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to use my discount code FBY18 for 18% off your cart. Shipping is super fast, takes about 3 to 5 days, if that. Package in about like 4 days, maybe 3 or 4 days. So it's super fast shipping. Tag me, tag them, shop till you drop, have a wall. And yeah, utilize that code, use it, don't lose it, and yeah. That's all I gotta say. So subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys next time with another video. Happy shopping and watching.